Welcome to the channel, folks. What I've got here is a test board that I've purchased on Amazon in order to practice surface mount soldering, as well as the board, single-sided board. Comes with a whole load of components. Got some diodes, some surface mount chips, capacitors, a few other bits and bobs, transistors, resistors, pretty much everything that you would come across on your standard surface mount board. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a wee bit of soldering. I've already had a go at a couple of them here, just to kind of test it out, as you can see. What I'll do is I'll bring the microscope in and just let you see kind of close up how I got on with these. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first thing I'm going to do is I am going to attempt to do one of these diodes here. Everything on the board is marked for each component. So what I'll do is I will dig out a diode. I should have done this earlier actually. However, just bear with me. So here we have it. So the direction of the diode, you've got your black mark obviously, so I'm assuming it's going to be going that way. So what we'll do is, first of all, I'll dab a bit of flux down onto the pads. And what I'm hoping is, once I've got this in position, I'm hoping that the flux will hold it in at one side, which will allow me to get the iron out. So I'll just give that tip a quick clean. And I'll get a little bit of solder onto the iron. And so try and hold that in place where it is. And it up. And that's not the straightest job in the world, however, that can be fixed. Get a little bit more. Ah, bollocks. And there's the reason why we practice, folks. There's the reason why we practice. Right, let's get rid of that. Right. I'll stick a bit of flux down and give the pads a clean. Get another diode out, give that a go again. Try not to ruin it this time. Right, take two. Try it again. So, got a little bit of solder onto the tip. That should do that end. Oh, bollocks. Well, you're watching an amateur, warts and all. No point in hiding it. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. I could use a heat gun, but I want to do it with iron. Right, job done. Give that a quick clean. Now, what we'll do is I'll bring that a bit closer in. You see the results. That's on. That's on. And that's going nowhere. Right, let's refocus and try another one. See if we can do the next one any better. Right. Right, I'll do the same with that. I'll just stick a bit of flux on. Clean the tip. Right. And just push this in into position. Can I go a wee bit further? Okay. And I'll try the same method this time. Just a bit of solder on the tip. whilst not forgetting to hold on to the actual part. Nope. Right. Try this again. That's another diode in place, solid. So let's try another one and see if I can get it right this time. Let's see if I can do this with less drama. I'll do the same again, same method, bit of flux. On either side. And just move it into position. Like so. Oops. Like that. And then get a bit of solder at the tip of my iron. Try and hold that in place. And the next side. Should hold better. And there we go. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. Three diodes fitted. And I've only got two left because I made a pigsy of the other one. But I think what we'll do is we'll move on now. We'll move on to some capacitors. So join me in a few minutes.